Hi guys, today we're going to be talking about the Instax Mini, the Fujifilm Instax Mini 9. So I got this box, but it was actually in a set, so it was like a lot of things. I didn't expect that. So inside this box, it came the camera, this like a key, like a thing you can put around your arm to hold it, and a close-up attachment lens, and a really cool sticker. So if you buy the camera, there's not going to be any film inside of it. You have to get a box like this. It has 10 sheets inside, and when I got the big box, I thought I was gonna get like an album, and I thought I had to search everywhere for it, but I couldn't find it. But the camera came with this nice album, and I took some pictures already, like this. This was my first picture, and that was my sister, but like it just looks bad. It's really dark. So, and then the other pictures are me. And then on the other page, there's another me at the back. And I like this album really much because like it's small, you can keep it in some places. It really looks like a wallet, so if you like have one, you might get them mixed up if it's like turned over. And I like the inside of it because like there's like 3 on this side, and also not 3 on the other side, but 3 on the back side. So it's like 2 3s, 6. So, and it also came with this really nice frame with hearts on it. I really like it. And I might use it with my really best photo, maybe. And also, there's this case that came with it. It's like, there's no like little button you have to put it. I think it's like, do you see that circle there? There's another circle here, I think. And then when you put it together, it just like, there's a magnet. So, and then the case is really nice and soft. And here you can put the camera inside. And I realized that it also came with this keychain to put on it. And it's like a strap. You can put it around your neck. And then it becomes a little strap. You can always keep it with you. And also, if you want to take like this off and if you only want to see the camera and this like out, you can also remove it from the back. There's little buttons here. You can remove it and like put it back on. And now let's talk about this. It's called a close-up attachment lens, and like you just have to put it on. It's like so easy to put it on. You have to hear the sound. It's really easy. So this one is really good if you're taking selfies, because when you're taking the photo, you have to be like really far away from it, or else they won't like turn out right, your pictures. So if you don't use this, then you have to go as far as you can with it. So with your arm, or someone else could take it for you. So this is really helpful if you're taking selfies or a group selfie. So if you want, let's talk about how the picture works. So first, you can open it like this, really easy. And then you'll see a light pop up over here. And then it's right now on the house setting. The house setting means like where you can the camera thinks that you're indoors right now, okay? So and then the next one is cloudy. So the camera thinks, maybe sometimes the camera can think that the weather is maybe cloudy outside. And then the next one is sunny. And then the other one is really sunny if it's like really bright outside. And there's another one called High Key, and like it's like really like bright, really bright. So sometimes you can just change it like that. But a few seconds ago, I just saw the light going back and forth like that. So that was crazy. So if so this one right here is the button where you take the picture. So like you can press on it and then the picture comes out. The picture comes out from the top over here. Just comes out like that, really easy. And this is the flash. I don't know, maybe, I don't think you can turn this off, the flash. But if you go outside, I don't think the flash will turn on. So maybe most of your pictures will probably be outside. And if they're outside, that means it's good because the flash won't come on and it won't be like really bright. So one of my photos were inside and like the flash turned on and like my face was like really bright. So this is what it was. This, like I look like white, like the color white in that. And also it happened again to this photo here. Oops. This photo, this one. I'm really white there too. So like that, if you like ever wanna like take a picture, I recommend doing it outside because like it won't be like any whiteness or there. So let's try this one. Actually is like the brightness hole. So like if you when you take the camera, like the camera, remember I told you about these lights here? That's how it goes like that. So when you're taking a picture, don't cover these up in any way because it will ruin your entire picture. So let's try to take a picture now. Turned it on. This is the hole you click on. I'm just gonna do it over there. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, at the back here, you can look at this hole and there's like gonna be a circle in the middle. That tells you where the middle of the picture will be. Okay, so let me turn on the camera first, like this. And now let me take the picture. So and also at the back, so this one, maybe if you like give it to someone right after you take the picture, maybe they might start to shake it, but don't shake it at all. This is called the Fujifilm Instant Mini 9. It's called the instant camera because when you take the photo, it just you have to wait like about 90 seconds and then it comes. And so it's like slowly doing it by itself there. And also at the back, there's like numbers right here that tells you if how many film you have left inside. And while that's forming, this is the box you can buy, okay? And then inside there's like a little package. You open it, and then it's this one right here. It's this, and if you can see, there's no finger presses over there. Do you see that? So when you're putting it in, whatever you do not touch those things where it says don't press, because if you do, the photos will be all wrong and like they won't turn out really good. And then this is where I put the batteries. The camera also comes with batteries that I can put right here. You have to pull this down and then the door comes up, but that's really hard for me, so I don't know how to do it. And then when you take this, when you put it inside, you have to align these you see the yellow dot there? You have to align it with that yellow dot at the top. So it's not really hard. I can do it all by myself. So you have to do that first. Okay. Let's see about what happened to my photo now. Okay, this photo is like really white at the bottom. The table's really white. Anyways, we have this tablecloth that's also white, so it's also white there. It's white there because I'm doing it inside, and like when I do it inside, the flash turns on, and then like so then it just becomes white all of a sudden. It couldn't take it properly. Remember what I told you about like the other photos in my album? Those photos, the exact same thing happened. It became white. See? It became white. It's the same one. So, like as I told you earlier, I recommend doing it outside so then the flash doesn't turn on and your pictures won't be really white. And who would take like pictures indoors if you want to like, I don't know, do something? So, and there was, now let's talk about the colors. So there was cobalt blue, ice blue, lime green, flamingo pink, and smoky white. So, and when I went online, there was only 2 colors left. There was this one, which is ice blue, and flamingo pink. So I need to tell you one more thing before we go. So you see this, you might be wondering what that is. That one, if you're ever taking a selfie, you can look at it and then that's what your photo is gonna turn out. So you do like this, you take a photo, and then that's what's gonna be there. That's all it for today. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button and subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and bye.